Layo kayo
You
sa atin,
guys
ah.
should know your positions. I don't know anyone's positioning here, so just like follow everyone's positioning.
Dito lang kayo, dito lang kayo.
Parties, 3 to 4 parties mid. So the one assigned to mid is 41 to 3.
Oh, holy shit! We're fighting with Tenebris.
Just realized it
Gusto
now.
niyo bang kunin to? Gusto niyo bang kunin to? O play safe na lang tayo.
2 parties on top left on our side.
Meron isang party lang dito. Oh. You can dive on Loki, okay. Ah, okay.
I think there's 4 to 5 parties mid.
Check ko lang yung nandito.
Yeah, like around 3 to 4 on mid right now.
Okay, let's go guys.
Hindi, dito na lang tayo kasi kulang si Namak
Pixie,
Zera.
the lead should be
Dito na lang tayo ah. Kulang si Namak Zera.
Obligate is not here. She should be in our party.
Yeah,
She moved. Oh.
There's only one party bottom.
Okay.
Max Zera, please stay outside the circle.
just make Jute lead, I guess. Little Bayat, if that is really him.
Remove follow. Huwag na kayo mag-follow sa akin. One minute guys, 1 minute, 1 minute, 50 seconds. 1 minute, 50 seconds.
Guys,
Focus on
be afraid,
monsters.
guys. Afraid. Let's go.
Focus on the mobs.
Clear mid.
Mobs first.
Max Zero party, labas lang kayo ng circle. Zyme, labas ka ng circle kasi hindi ka makakapag ano dyan. Please. Fifteen seconds guys, 15 seconds, 15 seconds.
Okay. Party 8 clear the mobs. We're gonna go.
Patayin nyo yung mga yan. Patayin nyo lahat ng yan.
Tara,
Patayin
Jutay.
nyo.
Let's go.
Patayin nyo lahat ng yan. Patayin nyo lahat. Kill them all. Kill them all. Kill them all. Patayin nyo lahat. Patayin nyo lahat ng yan. Sige. Susustain ko. Sige, ito.
Okay,
Pulse
let's
sila.
roll top.
Pulse sila.
47.
Pulse sila. Tara na, tara na. Dito. Sandwich natin. Sandwich
can
natin
you
sila.
help us?
Dito sila pupunta eh. Dito sila. Oh.
Die.
Dito sila. Sandwich sila.
We mid.
Patayin natin. Ito. Oh. Sundan nyo lang yung mga to. Lumilikod sila eh. Lumilikod sila. Sundan nyo lang. Yan. Sige, patayin nyo. Yan. Nice. Patayin nyo yan. Ito pa oh. Ito pa yung Bard oh. Bard. Desiree. Wala nang light yan. Magbabragi ako sa ano, sa stairs na right, magbabragi ako.
Timer for the mobs.
1 minute before the mobs. 1 minute
Somebody-
before the mobs. 1 minute before the mobs.
I'm in
Let's-
NX15.
Let's go top.
Patay
Let's
niyo
go
yung-
mobs.
Patay nyo nga yung Desiree. Ready
Mobs
for
is
the
on
mobs,
both
ready for the
sides,
mobs,
right?
ready for the mobs. Tara na, dito na tayo. 1 minute before the mobs.
They're going to mobs.
Clear them, ah. Guys, secure our spawn points. Secure our mob spawn points, please. Secure. 40 seconds. Kill everyone in our vicinity.
They have about 3 parties bottom mid right now.
Bottom left, just one party here. We're moving to the mobs now.
Patayin nyo to, oh. Patayin nyo yung Dora na
Top
to.
right,
Patayin
only
nyo,
one
patayin nyo yan.
person.
Sige, huwag nyo na sundan. Huwag nyo na sundan. Huwag nyo na sundan. Huwag nyo na sundan.
10 seconds.
10 seconds, ha. How is the bottom left? How is the bottom left?
Bottom left, there's a one party, but I died. But we can actually
Okay,
We
we
got
got with
the-
3 top
we actually
left.
died. We actually died, guys. We need support here.
Let's go mid. Let's go mid. Let's go mid.
We
Bottom
got
left,
three.
they killed. Yeah.
Tara, dito tayo sa middle left. Dito tayo sa middle left. Patayin nyo to, oh. Wala naman tong damage, oh. Patayin nyo nga to. Patayin nyo to, oh. Patayin nyo lang to. Patayin nyo. Yan, nice.
Oh, they got Garm. Did they get Garm?
They got Garm, bottom left.
They got Garm.
Patayin nyo yung mga to. Nasaan kayo? Okay. Dito na tayo sa mid. Dito naman tayo sa mid. Nice. Andito ako sa mid, ah. Sige. Andito ako sa kanila. Sinusustain ko lang sila. Oops. Back muna ako. Sige, oh. Push nyo lang. Push nyo lang. Wala. Wala yung puppet ko. Push nyo lang sila. Push nyo lang sila. Push nyo lang sila.
Jutay move. We're moving upper right. Party 8 is moving upper right, but there's a horde of. Oh my God! There's so many people. Woo! They're chasing us to bottom, outside. We're reviving.
Check nga natin to. Check nga natin to.
Well, I'm actually
Kailangan daw sila dito. Ito,
supplies
patayin nyo
now.
yung mga to.
They're going,
Ito yung mga natin kanina eh.
bottom.
Kaya naman yung mga to eh. Kaya yung mga to. Kaya. Sige.
Yeah, they're moving towards
Okay.
bottom
Sige.
before we died.
Sige.
Should we cut them or?
As long
Dito.
as they're not penetrating
Ano natin
mid,
to
I think
kasi ano eh.
we're fine.
Lumilikod sila eh. Lumilikod sila. Andito sila kanina, di ba?
Any status on the other side of the mid
We're still mid bottom and mid right. They're kind of push
Wala sila
down.
dito. Saan sila nagpunta?
Okay.
Sige.
So we're gonna try to reposition to
Mid is clear,
an area
mid
where-
is clear. Mid is clear. Currently, mid is clear.
Mid is clear, okay.
Okay, they are all mid top, mid left. Yeah. There's mid left.
Mid left got it.
Mid left? We are
Jutay,
in the
mid left tayo. Mid left tayo, Jutay.
Nasaan dito?
They are. Sorry. They went all top right now. I saw
Top
like
right.
everyone ran to top right. Yeah.
We'll be coming from mid. We're gonna push the right stairs, guys.
Mid right got it.
Okay. I'm gonna try to do a low-key play on the upper portion of the ladder. Okay.
Ito sila. Tara dito tayo. Dito tayo.
Okay, save
Uh,
Tetras. I have Tetra.
Ah shit.
I have Tetra in 3 seconds.
Ano ako patay ako Patay ako dito
Stand
Patay ako
check
dito.
14
Sorry.
minutes, okay?
Sorry.
They're moving back. I think they're
Marak,
moving
kaya mo ba reso ako?
north.
Moving down.
Reso na lang kita. Pag
Alright,
na,
Bra is here.
I'm gonna try to get the supplies
Sige.
again.
Huwag nyo silang papasukin. Ito sila oh.
Info. Where are they?
Info on
They are the
places.
top ladder Top stairs. Top stairs.
Upstairs.
Upstairs ladder. Okay.
Hey, Loki. Yeah.
Yeah.
Party 8 is getting military supplies. All me.
They Loki again, They Loki again, Oh. Push them again, push them again, push them
We're
again. Push
closing
them
the gap,
again.
guys, ha? Care.
Push them again, push them again.
Don't die too much.
1 minute before the Bapo, push them. 1 minute before the Bapo, push them.
Bafo, okay. Jutay, ano
So
tayo?
in the middle.
Pesto mid, Jutay.
Kill this Babsy, yeah. Nice.
Mid muna, Jutay, ah.
Nasaan ka, Naps?
Let's try
Mid,
to push them out a little bit if we can, because like they're
Yeah.
dead center in the mid now.
Okay.
Shit.
20 seconds
mid,
before
right,
the
mid,
Bapo,
right.
20 seconds before the Bapo.
They're pushing in. They're pushing in.
If you're gonna do a Loki play, please call it, guys.
You
Try
want me
it
to
in
do the
5
Loki play in the mid?
Tetra got it. You got 13 seconds.
Okay,
13
backing
seconds
up.
for battle.
I will do Loki mid, Loki play,
The Bafo itself.
2 seconds.
That
2
is
seconds.
Tetris up.
Up.
Buffo.
Bafo, Bafo.
Focus on Bapo. Nice. We got the Bapo. Nice. We got the Bapo.
Nice.
Push then. Push
Okay,
them.
push. We can push it.
Push them out.
Push them out to the right. Push them out to the right.
Can you check the
I'm gonna
mobs?
do a. Okay, I'm gonna do a Loki play on the stairs, the middle stairs. I mean the right stairs.
Right stairs. Got it.
Yep. Back up first.
I'm
Okay.
DC, I'm DC.
Drop. Loki's drop.
All right,
And
we are now at
we're-
5,000. Okay, we're now at 5,000.
Okay. Okay, we're done. I'm done with the play. You can push now. We can push now.
Kill this Desiree. Kill the Desiree. Kill, ito oh.
Sige, Jutay, ano ka lang, flank ka lang dyan, bro.
Ito, sige, wala silang damage.
Go.
Damage na tayo.
We're pushing. We're
Diretso na lang
up
kita,
the upper
Maya,
stairs to
papunta
the
natin.
right.
Sige.
I'm dying. Oh, shit.
Sige lang, ito oh. Nababaliw lahat yan.
We can still push them out.
Hunt nyo nga yung Babsy na yun. Nasaan ba yun?
Yeah, they are in their base.
They're
Okay,
catching up for whatever.
go back. Everyone go back. They did not reach 5k yet. Go back. If they are in their base, go back. Go back to our base. They did not reach 5k yet. We reached 5k. They did not reach 5k.
Okay.
Go
Backing.
back. Everyone, go back.
They did not reach 5k. Go back.
Look at the score, guys.
Yeah, I wonder what's happening at main.
Yeah, they lost any top.
We cannot reach 8k anyway because they are on their base. It will be very hard for us.
Yeah, I think they stopped fighting us since the lead is a little bit larger now.
I don't
There's
think
no mobs. There's no mobs
that.
anymore.
We
There's no
confirmed
mobs
that
anymore.
already, right?
After Bafo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's
Yeah,
no
I don't
mobs anymore in
Oh,
the
yeah.
5 minutes.
Shit.
I think they got the whole Baron.
No, the Owl Baron is not is it up already or is it done already?
Yeah. It is done at the 10-minute mark.
Oh. Can someone confirm Moon X 5 minutes mobs? But I don't think
It is not in
It's-
the
I don't think
rules.
it
It is
is.
not in the rules.
it's not enough.
Yeah.
Yeah, anyway. Yeah, I was checking at least 2-3 minutes in. The lead is a little bit bigger from the beginning, from the get-go. I don't know how that happened.
Why they
Yeah.
jumped from 47 to 53, like really quick when we were backing up.
They got, I mean, the supplies.
Supplies also, maybe the mini mobs. They could also probably do the big supply.
Yeah. Next time, make sure that after the Bapo, we should not push them. Yeah. We should check
Okay.
the small mobs area. We should check the small mobs area.
Okay, got it.
They're not gonna come out anymore. It's like it's done.
Still GG guys. GG for the Southfield also.
Yeah,
Still
it was
GG.
Yeah.
good game. GG.
We did our
Good,
best.
good, good.
We did our best.
Pretty
So
sure they did our best. We did our best too. So.
we did our best.
Okay.
Everyone.
So make sure you guys go to the clinic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I hate Whitesmith on GVG.
Ah, damn.
I think we got the Bapo. We got the Bapo.
Yeah,
We got
Milk
the-
got it.
Malcolm.
Milk got it.
I think we got the Bapo because no, sorry, the old Baron. See their score from the 1.5 to 1K.
Oh, okay.
The, their score is 1,500. We got the Bapo. We got the Bapo. We got the Bapo.
Baron,
Chin,
you mean the
Chin,
Baron, right?
Chin. Yeah. The Baron. Chin got the Baron.
Okay.